Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Then, what is the protein level in CSF? So, there is one important thing in protein level of CSF. There are some conditions which are associated with low CSF protein level. So, we have to see here what are the conditions associated with low CSF protein level. Okay, low CSF protein level is present in whenever we do a repeated lumbar puncture, or if there is a chronic leak, then the CSF will be leaking off through the through either lumbar puncture or the chronic leak. So as a result, the protein content in the CSF decreases, thus presenting as low CSF protein level. It can also be seen in some children between the age group of around 6 months to 2 years children. We can see that there can be low CSF proteins. It can also be seen in conditions like acute water intoxication. That means if we drink lots of water, then the proteins might get of CSF might get diluted, resulting in low CSF proteins. And in some patients with idiopathic intracranial hypertension, in them the CSF protein level might decrease.
thank you and thank you for watching.